Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a quick video showing you how to use the mockup generator from within the app. Just to be clear, the mockup generator generates mockups. It doesn't generate products or anything like that. It's a quick method of generating artwork for you to use for advertising or in whichever project that you've got going on your website or Facebook or on your blog. So rather than force you to go through creating products so that you have to download the mockups, we thought we'll make it easy for you. So this is how it works. Click on Mockup Generator, select the product that you like, click on it, then start designing. I'll add an image to the chocolates. I think I've got one on here. This one I'll do, doesn't matter. There's an image, you're going to add that. Click next step. Confirm. These are the mock-ups that it's going to create for you. Now what you can do here is if you click in the background, what it'll do is it'll create all the mock-ups in the background for you and send you an email to the email you've got in your settings, and you'll just be able to click the link and download them, or you can click on screen and that will generate the mock-ups here. So it's a little bit slow when you're doing them on screen than getting the email, but it's not too bad, it's pretty fast. Then once you've got them all, you can quite literally click download. It'll zip those up for you, and any second now I should be able to download those. So there you go, mock-up saved, and you can just unzip them on your local drive. So hope that helps. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.